Start by adding 3 sliders and set them up as floating point numbers with 1 decimal. They are the top and bottom radius of the circles and the height of the hyperboloid. Add 2 more sliders and set them up as integer numbers with a minimum limit of 1. They are the number of parts and the generatrix. There is a component to create a circle. Go to Curve, Primitive, Circle. Insert 2, 1 for each circle. Before linking them, add an element to determine the height of the top circle. Go to Vector, Vector, Unit Z. Add a component called Divide Curve to divide each circle into equal parts. Go to Curve, Division, Divide Curve. Link each circle component with Divide Curve, also the end part slider in the input N. To create the generatrices, add a component called Shift List. Go to Set, List, Shift List. Eventually, a line component to finish the model. To export the model to a format such as 3D Studio.3ds, AutoCAD.dwg.dxf, Google Earth.kmz, and others, do the following steps. Identify the components of the model to export. Click the middle mouse button and choose Bake. In Rhinoceros, go to File, Save As. In Type, choose the format.